Quality of sound, the characteristics of sound by which two sound waves of same loudness and pitch are distinguished from each other. Radioactivity, a phenomenon in which radioactive element emits radioactive rays. Radius of curvature, the radius of the hollow sphere off which a spherical mirror is a part. Reflection of light, when light traveling in a certain medium falls on the surface of another medium, a part of it returns back in the same medium. Refraction, the change of path of waves while passing from one medium into another medium due to change in speed. Refractive index, the ratio of the speed of light in air to the speed of light in a material. Resistance, the measure of opposition to the flow of current through a conductor. Grasp a length of wire with your right hand such that your thumb points in the direction of the current, then curling fingers of your right hand will point in the direction of the magnetic field. Ripple tank, a device used to produce and manipulate water waves.